any person who contests an election has to be a citizen of India. So we got one complaint came to us that one person may not be. We had a report from the Deputy Commissioner. Similarly, there was also a comment on the WhatsApp media about the other candidate. Now, both these candidates, their names were removed by the electoral officer from the electoral rolls because of this doubt. What we have done is we have kept the counting in abeyance. We will, as we go forward, we will hear these candidates and know what their position is. We'll make a final order and then announce a decision with reference to what we are going to. But the fact is that two candidates have their question about their citizenship is there. We will be hearing them and then taking a decision as to when or not we are going to go ahead with their counting.
Sir, one more clarification. Sir, did the counting did not start at all in these particular constituencies, these two constituencies, or the counting began, it was then put on hold?
No, it didn't start.
It did not.
No, we were careful. The district magistrates of those two districts, they did not take out the ballot boxes were not opened at all. 280 में से 278 सीटों के नतीजे डिक्लेयर कर दिए गए हैं. इसमें कल सब मिला के लगभग 28 लाख वोट काउंट हुए, 28 लाख वोट काउंट हुए. और जो पार्टी वाइज पोजीशन है इसमें भारतीय जनता पार्टी लार्जेस्ट पार्टी निकली है 75 सीटों के साथ में 280 में से. इसके बाद हैं जम्मू कश्मीर नेशनल कॉन्फ्रेंस 67 सीटें हैं उनकी, 67. इंडिपेंडेंस की सीटें हैं 50 सीटें हैं. पीपल्स डेमोक्रेटिक पार्टी 27 सीटें हैं. इंडियन नेशनल कांग्रेस 26 सीटें उनको मिली हैं. जम्मू कश्मीर अपनी पार्टी 12 सीटें मिली हैं. जम्मू कश्मीर पीपल्स कॉन्फ्रेंस को 8 सीटें मिली हैं. CPIM को 5 सीटें मिली हैं. जम्मू कश्मीर नेशनल पैंथर्स पार्टी को 2 सीटें मिली हैं. पीपल्स डेमोक्रेटिक फ्रंट को 2 सीटें मिली हैं. और फाइनली बहुजन समाज पार्टी को 1 सीट मिली है. 278 सीटों का ये ब्यौरा है. पहले तो कश्मीर में पोलिंग परसेंटेज कम नहीं रही है. डिफरेंट लोग इसके बारे में लिख रहे हैं. पिछली जो इलेक्शन हुई है पार्लियामेंट की, उसको आप डिस्ट्रिक्ट वाइज कंपेयर करेंगे तो बहुत सारे डिस्ट्रिक्ट जहां पर सिंगल डिजिट परसेंटेजेस थी वहां पर ये 20%, 24%, और कश्मीर के ज़िलों में ही बांडीपुरा वगैरह में 50% से ऊपर. और जैसे मैंने आपको बताया एक पोलिंग स्टेशन में 84% भी आया. बट वो एक ऐसे नहीं है कि एक में 84% आ गया और बाकी में सिंगल डिजिट है. ओवरऑल कश्मीर की पोलिंग परसेंटेज जो है वो 33.99% है. तो 33.99% वोटर्स का कश्मीर में बाहर आने का मतलब हो गया हमारे पास लगभग 57 लाख वोटर्स थे, उसका 33% हो जाएगा वो 15 लाख समथिंग लाइक दैट. तो 15 लाख लोगों का वादी कश्मीर में अपने घरों से बाहर आना और 8 फेज़ इलेक्शन में पार्टिसिपेट करना और कुछ ज़िलों में, दिस इज़ इन बाई इटसेल्फ बिग what shall I say, a message of the people to all of us, that people in Kashmir and of course in Jammu where the voting percentage has been very high, they want to come and take charge of their own affairs in the democratic context. They are ready, they have shown willingness to participate in the district development councils, which are part of the newly made law by the Government of India after amending the Jammu and Kashmir Panchayati Raj Act. And I think we are in the Jammu and Kashmir headed in a good way to set up this new governments at district level in Jammu and Kashmir. और आने वाले समय में we will deal with those things in the future as and when new elections are held. India is a big democracy. India has a big tradition of how to deal with people coming from abroad, and this particular people from POK is a different set of people. We have taken a very considered decision in the State Election Commission. We had different options. We could have had option of stopping election, or we could have had option of declaring that we are countermanding it. So we have not taken that option. We have taken an option that the person would have a possibility to tell the State Election Commission what is the truth about that person, and the person should also be able to take an opportunity of appeal that this is not my status, this is my status, or this is the law, this is the other thing. So हमने सिर्फ उसको अभी काउंटिंग को रोका हुआ है. So now I'm not such an expert in constitutional law and the citizenship matters, but I think we have now I think we have taken a good decision. We have not deprived anybody. The participating candidates जिसके बारे में आप mention कर रहे हैं, अगर जो पूरा इसका कंस्ट्रक्ट है, लॉ में कंस्ट्रक्ट वर्ड को यूज़ करते हैं, अगर वो उनके फेवर में होगा तो हमारी ये काउंटिंग होगी, और हमारे सामने ये ऑप्शंस ओपन हैं और हम इसके बारे में फैसला करेंगे with reference to the position that the government of India has on citizenship matters in respect of the people coming from the who are from Kashmir and the Pak occupied Kashmir.